So let's just talk about home now. This is your home screen, but wait a minute. This is a home screen too. And this is a home screen, and this is a home screen, and this is a home screen. You have multiple home screens, but there is one that is your number one home screen. So what am I talking about? If I am way over on like the third screen and I go to the Geeks On Tour website and I say, okay, I'm done with the Geeks On Tour website. I want to go home. On a newer iPhone, you just swipe up from the bottom. But which home screen does that take you to? It takes you to the most recent home screen. I have seen people go swipe, 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 swipe until they get to their main home screen. So thus this tip. If you're on a faraway home screen and one swipe goes to the most recent, one swipe again takes you to your number one home screen. And if you're on an older iPhone, that is, so you're in something and you want to go home, it's the pressing the button. If you have a button, press it once, recent home screen, press it again, number one home screen. Android. Android also can have multiple home screens. So I'm way over here. I go into Finance. I get to my recent home screen by tapping this little square. That's the Home button. Recent home screen. Press it again. Number one home screen.